Okay, here's how you make the back window that looks like this shape right here, something like that. So we're going to use this thing called Boolean modeling. So Boolean modeling works like this. You have an original shape. You can make another shape and deduct that shape from the other shape. I'm going to show you a few different ways. So I'm going to make that window piece. So I'm going to create a cube, and this is going to be that back window with that hole in it. So I got that. And I'm editing a piece. I'm making a piece. So I'm going to do create. I'll do a polygon cylinder. And I'm going to go like this, move it up. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees right here. If the channel box doesn't show up, it's right above the trash can right here. And then that right there is where I want to put 90. We already did this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just shape it a little bit like it is in that example. It's something like that. And it's a little smaller, something like that. So imagine what would happen if I put the shape in here. I put the shape in here, and I could deduct this shape from that shape. It'd be like a cookie cutter, you know what I mean? If you ever did that with what? Well, first I'll show you the wrong way, okay? First, you got to click on. You're supposed to click on the main object, hold Shift, select the secondary object that's going to be deleted, and then you go to Mesh, Booleans, Difference. But I'm going to do it the wrong way, just to show you. So I'm going to select it the wrong order. I'm going to select the first one, the secondary one first, then the big one, then Mesh, Booleans, Difference. Watch what happens. So what it did, it deducted the big shape into the little shape. I don't want that. So I'm going to hit Z and go back. Now let's do it the right way. I'm going to click on the main object, hold Shift, select the secondary object, then Mesh, Booleans. Now union is kind of like combined. We already did that. Intersection is just like it says, wherever it intersects. If I did intersection, it'd end up like a pancake. That would be where it intersects. But I'm doing difference. Boom. Now whenever you combine or disassemble or do something like that, it'll always mess up the pivot. Look where the pivot is right now. It's out here somewhere. I don't want that. Just like when you combined it, you're going to go to Modify, Center Pivot. And then now I got my shape. It's an edited shape. I can make it thinner and thicker. I'm going to move that into place. Back here, up here. And that's going to be the back window. I'm just getting it in there, and then they're going to size it like that. Something like that. Right? Like that. Scale it. And my car is kind of like kind of tall and skinny, so I'll just do that. So that's how, if you could do that, when I grade this, if I see that done, then I know you know how to do Boolean modeling.